Before you walk into your very first house tour, you need to hear this because the biggest mistakes don't happen when buyers write the offer. They happen before they even walk through the front door. Hi, I'm Jamie Herring with the Herring Homes team, and I'm here today to give you the 3 top things you need to do to be prepared for your first day of looking at homes. Number 1, do your homework. This is where most buyers go wrong. Step 1 is doing your homework, and I don't mean scrolling Zillow endlessly at midnight. We've all been there. The first thing you need is a realtor, like the Herring Homes team, and you need a lender. Just by clicking book a showing on a website, that might get you inside the house, but it won't necessarily get you the house. Those buttons usually send you to whoever paid for the lead. And guess what? Sometimes that is my team. And sometimes you get paired with someone who doesn't even know what they're doing. So ask your friends, family, coworkers, who did you use and would you use them again? A great realtor will already be paired with a local lender, do deals all the time with the same few lenders, and in a multiple offer situation, that really matters. Because listing agents like me, we will call the lender to find out if the buyers can't are vetted. A trusted local lender can make your offer stronger even if your price isn't the highest. And before you look at a single home, you need to be pre-approved. Not pre-qualified, not a guess, a real pre-approval so you know exactly what you can spend, because there is absolutely no point in falling in love with a home that you can't even buy. Part of your homework is also understanding what kind of market you're in. Ask your realtor, are homes selling fast? Are there multiple offers? Are prices going over asking? Because that changes how aggressive you will need to be from day one. And finally, get clear on your priorities. What schools, neighborhoods, highways, metro access? Does the house need a basement? Do you want a 2-car garage, a first floor bedroom? Whatever is a 100% deal breaker has to go on your must-have list. If it's not there, don't waste your time looking at houses. Number 2, come with a showing game plan. This is where even smart and prepared buyers can sometimes fall apart if they're not ready. If you have kids, and I love them, I have my own, but by house number 2, if they're little, they're bored, they're touching everything, and they're just done. So if you can, book a sitter. You'll be able to focus and make better decisions. Wear shoes that you can easily slip on and off of. Don't bring the lace-up boots, okay? Most sellers want you to take off your shoes, and bring water or snacks if you get hangry. And make sure you have gas for your car because showing tours can move pretty fast. I plan around 15 to 20 minutes per house. If something is truly a contender, you can always ask your agent for a second showing. One time I had a buyer spend forever in a home, and finally I asked, are you seriously considering this house? It was terrible, it was a train wreck. And she's like, oh, heck no. And then I'm like, let's get out of here. Don't spend time in houses that you don't love. And here's a big one, take photos and notes. By house 5, every kitchen and every bathroom was gonna blend together. So notes help you make a clear decision instead of an emotional one. And don't be afraid to tell your realtor what you hate. That's just as important as what you love. Part of my job is to be a matchmaker. And when I see something come on the market down the road, I can usually know which buyer that house is gonna be perfect for. Number 3, be ready to write an offer. This is the difference between buyers who win and buyers who keep missing out. As you walk through houses, rank them 1 through 5, let's say, so the cream rises to the top. So when I leave the second house, I say, what was better, the cat house or the dog house? And they're gonna say number 1 cat house, number 2 dog house. And by the end of the showing, we have everything ranked. Makes it easier to make an offer. And also have your earnest money funds available, because once your offer is accepted, that check gets deposited. And then talk with your realtor ahead of time about your highest and best offer, because when homes hit on a Thursday, offers are often due by Sunday. Just this past weekend in Gurnee, Illinois, one of our listings had over 30 showings and had 10 offers. So it's not just, do you like the house? But it's how is your offer going to stand out? And one more thing buyers don't realize, when you submit an offer, you're not just seeing what happens. If the seller accepts, you're entering a legal contract. So you need your proof of funds, your lender, your pre-approval, and you need to have that decision ready to go. If you walk through everything and you don't love it, but that's okay. When the right house shows up, you have to be ready, because in a competitive market like right now, hesitation will cost you houses. If you want a real estate game plan before you ever step into a house, reach out to me or my team and we will make sure we find you a house that you're prepared and you'll be ready to make your next move. Like, follow, and subscribe for real world home buying advice, and I'll see you on the next one.